This is cosmetic flip number 2. We have an ARV of about 400. We're in this deal for like 300. Yeah, so it's like 380. So I honestly would want to come through, blowtorch all this stuff off the driveway, and then reseal it because the driveway's kind of hammered. So it need to blowtorch it because that's the first thing you see is like you got all these roots and stuff coming through. So you can take what is called a rosebud, which is like a propane torch, and then you just blow all that stuff dead. Or David knows how to kill weeds by now, right?
Yeah, did you see the 1044?
Did it kill it all?
Yeah.
I told you. Was that like incredible?
Yeah.
You didn't think it was gonna do that, huh?
Not that quick.
Little tip, if you are mowing your lawns and you own properties in the rough part of towns, or even like, let's just say it's a normal property and you are mowing your lawn, you're wasting your freaking time because just kill your lawn. There's this stuff called 3M, 2M, whatever it is, total vegetation control. It's got something in it called glycine or whatever, but it'll nuke your lawn. Like you just, one time, it's done probably for the whole summer if you get it really good. Something to definitely do. So this bathroom, want to take the tile, leave the tub, take the tile all the way to the ceiling, new floor. I'd keep the same vanity in here, same everything. Change the lights, change this fart fan out. Everybody like the word fart fan? It's like the worst name, right? Change the vent. Oh, this is coming back into style. I gotta take a piss, hon. So probably put a door on this so that when you're blowing it up, you know, you're not disturbing anything. This is a really ugly layout, but it is what it is. I would not change anything here too much other than retiling it. Maybe we change the shower a little bit. If I kind of go back and forth real quick because my brain's like saying I don't want to change this, but I know I might have to. This is kind of stupid here. They put their plumbing in here though. I don't know how much work and effort that's gonna be required, but we probably need to change this shower out. I don't know if we're gonna have to reconfigure the shower. This gets changed, this flooring, that would stay the same, that pedestal sink. We'd change out the faucet, possibly change out this entire thing. I'd have to run through the comps real quick to see before you do anything like major. You got a nice deck here too. It's got 2 big decks on the back side of this thing. It's gonna need an exterior paint job for sure. That's where a lot of the money's gonna go. It's gonna need an interior paint job. So exterior, interior paint job, redo these bathrooms, repaint these rooms. We'll have to decide whether we're popping in new doors. This same thing should get painted. You got a gas fireplace. This could make this look nice. So just paint, new floor in here. Kitchen is in good shape. Probably change out the countertops, change out the sink, change out the dishwasher, or maybe not change out the dishwasher. These appliances are good, actually. Probably keep the original appliances, just clean them up. These are in good shape. Dishwasher works, keep it. New countertops, keep the cabinets the way they are.
They painted them with regular wall paint.
This part?
All the cabinets.
Is that a bad thing?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not meant for wear and tear. So like there's special cabinet paint. It's something enamel where it hardens.
Yeah.
It won't peel off like this. It'll chip off when you can just touch up paint it.
I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I know they might have not done it right, but I don't know if anybody besides like a guy like you or maybe somebody who's a contractor is going to pick up on that. Yeah, so I would just keep this layout the exact same. We want to put a countertop in here, redo the floors. Now we got a basement to go look at, right? This would look good if we painted this a different color other than white. So we should paint this like a black. Thing that drives me crazy, you'll see me do this constantly in videos, is I hate when these things are wobbly. So we need to re-secure this. This should be like as tight as that is. Now this is a really nice area here. Yeah, I gotta look at the comps to see how far I wanna go here. Got a bathroom here. What we're gonna do before we go all the way on this is go and look and see like, hey, what are the comps selling for? Do we need to go? Do we need to take everything? But just in the basement alone, repainting, new vanity here, new flooring. You know, that's maybe as far as we need to go on all these is new flooring, new paint, exterior, interior, and then see how far we're going on the bathrooms. So we have to base those decisions off of what comps are selling for. Yeah, so I would just put carpet right back down. Something that we could do here is just get rid of this some way. You can't really build a false wall. Do you build a closet right here and then put this inside the closet? If you put the closet over here, I don't think anybody wants this in their bedroom. I mean, so if you put it in a closet, you're not gonna see it, but then people are gonna have a hard time accessing it. So I'm not sure why they put it right here. So we have to figure that part out too. Definitely if this is gonna count as a bedroom, even though it's gonna be a non-conforming bedroom. What do you think it is?
It's a radon reduction system.
I felt something coming through that didn't feel like plumbing. Yeah, it didn't feel like plumbing, so I didn't know what the hell it was. There's radon in every house, so maybe somebody was paranoid about it. You just gotta clean this up in here. They've also got a really big tankless, nice tankless water heater here. So you got some nice surprises. This is an expensive unit right here. Probably, if I was to guess, at least a couple $1,000 or something like that. That's not a cheap one. It's like this thing was plumbed properly. They spent a lot of money on plumbing. So you got a lot of bedrooms down here. See, I don't think I would even change any of this right here. Like, because no matter what you do right here, someone else is gonna have a different opinion about what they would like to have here. So I would say like our best move in here is carpeting this, cleaning this up, repainting this, keeping this the same, and then kind of the same thing here. Like this is a separate living quarters. We're gonna patch that little hole here. The more we touch, the better the worse it's gonna go for us. So the least amount of things that we touch, like I don't know why they opened these up. I'm guessing they were looking for something, but we just wanna find this exact same tile so we could paint over all of this. We're not gonna go too far here. This is literally, again, a cleanup. 3-bedroom right there.
No closet.
Yeah, so we need a closet in there.
Boob light on the wall.
That's a good call right there, man. That's some ingenuity there. Maynard, did you rehab this?
And they look more like a boob when they're on the wall.
I'm just thinking the carpet over the whole damn thing. Just carpet from here all the way into there. Or keep this tile. I wouldn't regrout nothing, I would just clean it.
They didn't even grout over there.
Well then grout that, yeah. It might be better just to keep the tile and then start carpeting that way if we can save it. Or just carpet over the whole damn thing, might be the way to go. Again, we gotta look at the comps and see what we're dealing with over here.
More tile seam.
Boom! There we go. I think that's the way we do it. Definitely. Remember what, this is not the time. You don't have a ton of housing stock right now. Interest rates are super high. The worst thing you can do is go really far on this deal right here. Because if you go really far, you're gonna find out that you're gonna lose a lot of money. The least amount we touch, the more money we're gonna make. The more things we touch, the least amount of money we're gonna make. So painting the interior of the house, cleaning out the gutters, getting this thing in good shape, you know, staining the deck, pressure washing this deck, getting this thing ready to rock and roll and be ready for someone to move in. Maintenance free is probably what we're looking for. Then making this driveway look as presentable as possible. This is why I'm not a big fan of asphalt, even though I hired the worst concrete guy in the history of the world. Shout out William Lawn, the concrete con man. The worst concrete person in the human history. He's like the worst kind of person. This guy's been like, just to give a little shout out to Bill, because I hate that guy. Anyways, that guy ripped me off. He ripped off a lot of people. But the reason that we typically don't want to do asphalt, and I don't know what this is. I don't know if this was like a concrete driveway. Then they put asphalt on top of it, and I have no idea. But I can tell you that we can fix this with some sealant by torching all of these things, all of these weeds, patching up all these cracks, and then sealing it. Roof looks solid, house is solid, a lighter color. I like this color over there. Maybe copy our neighbors right there for the exterior of the house. It's a good looking color right there. That'll go a long ways picking the right colors and stuff. Neighborhood's nice and quiet. Got a big old tree in the front yard. House seems like it was in good shape. Nice street, good area, good school district. In the Northland, got a big house. Can't be perfect, can't go all the way. Just gotta clean everything up. So on to the next one.